So when I was a little kid, I had a really weird skin response. I had super, super sensitive skin. Like you could take your fingernail or a ballpoint pen and just like draw down my arm and well, it's even welting up because I just did a take a second ago. It's already welting on my arm right now. But yeah, my skin would welt up so bad. Like they called me the human Etch-a-Sketch when I was a kid because you could literally like draw your name on my chest, wait 10 seconds, and it would just boop, pop up and appear in bright red letters. Little did we know that that was actually related to my ADHD, because people with ADHD and autism actually tend to have an issue with histamine responses. A histamine intolerance occurs when the body struggles to break down excess histamine, often due to deficiencies in the enzyme diamine oxidase. Very fancy words. And basically, that leads to us having a higher buildup of histamines in our system, which can lead to all kinds of very interesting things. It can actually simulate or exacerbate symptoms of ADHD and autism. Things like chronic fatigue, difficulty with focusing, anxiety, mood instability and irritability, gut problems, headaches, joint pain, uh, MCAS, that's the mast cell activation syndrome. All these different things are all related to this. And so this is something we need to be aware of, like the histemic response in our brains, in our bodies, to basically a mutation in our own genes. And there are things we can do about this. Of course, there are things we can do about this. Like we can eat a low histamine diet. Unfortunately, here's the list of things that are high in histamine: chocolate, cheese, tomatoes, eggplant, citrus, nuts, shellfish, vinegar, fish, pineapple, sauerkraut, strawberry, spinach, tuna, wheat germ, cashew nuts, fruits, legumes, processed meats, raisins, alcohol, salami, fermented foods, pickled and canned foods. That's like everything I eat. I... So frustrating. Why are the things that are the most appealing to us also the things that can make us the most ill? Probably because they taste freaking awesome. But I do notice that when I eliminate some of these things from my diet, I tend to feel better. I tend to have better energy. I tend to have better focus and clarity. I don't have as many headaches. My stomach issues calm down. Of course, then I go and I eat a pound of cheese, and it all sweeps up again. So yes, understanding that histamine intolerance is a part of ADHD, is a part of autism, and there are things that we can do about it. It's just that none of it tastes good. There we go.